Good morning, students. Let us start our new chapter, chapter 6, that is percentage. Before starting percentage, let us first understand what are hundredth part. Out of 100 equal parts, each part is known as hundredth part. Means if you have 100 equal parts, so that each part means one part will be called as a hundredth part. Suppose we have 600s, so we have 100 parts, okay, and we have to tell in percentage 600s, so it will be 6 upon 100, means out of 100 6 parts we have taken. 1700 means out of 100 17 parts, so it means 17 hundredths, okay. Now coming to percentage, by a certain percentage we mean that many hundreds. Suppose in this we have 1700, in this we have 600, so it means by a certain percent means that many hundreds. Suppose we denote x percent as x percent. This is the sign of percent, children, okay. So x percent equals to x hundreds, means x upon 100, okay, clear. So this means x percent. X hundreds or x upon 100 means x percent, or 17 upon 100 or 1700 means 17%, clear. 57% means 57 hundredths or 57 upon 100. Alright, now to convert percentage into a fraction. For converting a percentage into a fraction, divide it by 100 and removes the sign of percent. Suppose if we have x percent and we have to convert this x percent into fraction, so it will be x upon 100 and just remove the sign of percentage. Alright. Now if we have 14%, so 14 upon 100, and then you have to convert this into in lowest terms also, okay. In this, first of all, convert into improper fraction, 20 upon 3. So you have to multiply the 100 into 3 only. Okay, 3 के upon में 100 नहीं आएगा, 3 की 100 से ही multiply करनी है, because 3 is also in denominator and 100 को भी हम denominator में divide करते हैं. So then it will be 20 upon 300. So after dividing, converting into lowest term, we get 1 upon 50. Okay. Now to convert a fraction into a percentage means vice versa. वाइस वर्सा है, वाइस वर्सा मीन्स अपोजिट इसका. यहाँ पे हमने परसेंटेज को फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट किया था. इन दिस वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट फ्रैक्शन इनटू परसेंट, सो हियर वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100. रिमेंबर दिस, इफ वी आर कन्वर्टिंग परसेंट इनटू अ फ्रैक्शन मीन्स परसेंट साइन रिमूव हो रहा है, then we have to divide it by 100. But if we have to convert into percentage means percent sign लगाना है, then we have to multiply the fraction by 100 and then put the sign of percentage. Clear? So here it will be, if 11 upon 16 we have to convert this fraction into percentage, multiply this by 100. We have 275 upon 4. Don't forget to convert into lowest term and in mixed fraction. Don't leave your answer here only, because this is improper fraction, okay. Convert, first of all convert into mixed fraction, that is your final answer, okay. Now to convert a percentage into a ratio. A percentage can be expressed as a ratio with first term equal to given percentage and second term 100. Means ratio, you know the sign of ratio, 2 dots, and if we have to convert this percentage into ratio, it means x upon 100. So upon में ही होता है, if and we can write in ratio x is to 100, okay, x ratio 100. So if we have to convert this 32%, that means 32 upon 100 means इसको lowest term में convert करेंगे. Then the ratio, it is in fraction, okay, and we have to convert in ratio, so it will be 8 is to 25, okay, or 8 ratio 25. Similarly in decimal, first of all remove the decimal point. 27.5% है, तो 27.5 upon 100, then we have to remove the decimal point, so it will be 275 upon 100, and sorry, it will be 10 only, because it has one decimal point, one decimal place after decimal, so we have to put 10, means decimal हटेगा तो एक digit है तो 1 0 आएगी, okay, not 2 zeros, so it will be 1000. Then we have to convert into lowest term, then answer is 11:40. Now to convert a ratio into a percentage, to write the ratio. Now to convert a ratio into a percentage, first write the ratio as a fraction. First of all ratio को fraction में लिखेंगे and then multiply the fraction by 100 and then put the percentage sign. Okay, so if we have the percentage ratio A is to B, तो पहले इसको first of all we will write in the fraction, because ratio को fraction में ही लिख के हम we can solve it. Then into 100 multiply करेंगे, just as we have done into percentage into fraction into percentage. Now we have 23:40, so 23/40 into 100. Okay, we have done the multiplication and we have got our answer 57 whole 1/2 percentage. Okay, don't forget this sign. If we are converting into percentage, don't forget this sign. Now comes to convert a percentage into decimal. To convert the given percentage into a fraction and then convert this fraction into decimal, because किसी भी fraction पहले fraction होगा then only we have to convert into decimal. So पहले percentage को fraction में convert करना है and then into decimal. Okay, direct we can't do the in decimal. So if we have 73%, so percent हमको given है, so we can't convert it directly into decimal. So first of all we have to convert into fraction, means 73/100. Then in decimal means 0.73, because we have 2 zeros, so it will be 2 digits. Decimal will become 2 digits before. Okay, 32.5. So first of all 32.5/100, because fraction में convert करना है. Then after decimal 1 digit है तो it will come 10, so it will be 13/40 and 0.325. Okay, 0.325. Clear? Now to convert a decimal into a percentage, to convert the given decimal into a fraction and then multiply the fraction by 100 and put the sign percent. So we have 0.37 in decimal में है, then 37/100 means पहले इसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करा. ओके, देन 37/100 into 100, बिकॉज ये तो हमने फ्रैक्शन में डेसिमल हटाया है. ओके, डेसिमल रिमूव करा है, बट हमको व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू अ परसेंटेज. सो फॉर परसेंटेज वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100. इट मीन्स 100 से 100 विल बी कैंसल, देन इट विल बी 37%. Now 0.0025. So first of all we will remove the decimal. It will be 25/4 digits हैं तो 4 zeros. 25/10,000 into 100, it will be 25/100, that is 0.25%. Clear? Now children, question comes like in this form, find the value of, means this number will be given to you, percentage means 2 whole 3/5% of 1.4 kg. So first of all we will convert into improper, 13/5% of 1.4 into 1000. Okay, so 13.5 into 1/100, because percent sign remove करेंगे तो upon 100 से multiply करेंगे, then into 1.4 kg है. So 1 kg में children 1000 grams होते हैं, and if we convert this 1.4 into grams, we will have 1400, because 1 decimal will be removed, because आप 1 decimal है तो यहाँ 1 decimal हट जाएगा, 0 will be cancelled, so it will 1400. So 0 से 2 zeros cancel हो जाएंगी, तो it will be 182/5, that is 336.4 grams. Got it? Now second way the question comes is, what percent of 2.8 kg is 70 grams? So आपको परसेंट फाइंड आउट करनी है. व्हाट परसेंट ऑफ, लेट जो परसेंट फाइंड आउट करनी है उसे x डिनोट कर लीजिए, एज्यूम इट एज x. लेट x% ऑफ 2.8 kg is means equals to 70 grams. All right. Now 2 point of It means multiplication. First of all, we will convert because this is in kilogram and this is in gram. First of all, make the units same. Okay. Now 2.8 into 1000, if we will do it, we will have 2800. Now solve this equation. X upon 100 of means multiply into 2.8 kg की जगह we will put here 2800 equals to 70. Then after solving means 2800 x हो जाएगा और ये 100 इसके इक्वल्स डिवाइड में है एंड इफ यू विल ब्रिंग हेयर मीन्स इक्वल्स टू के इधर आएगा तो इट विल बी इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो 70 की 100 से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी एंड दिस 2800 विल कम इन डिवीजन. So we will have 5 upon 2, that is 2.5%. So we have 2.5% of 2.8 kg is 70 grams. Okay. Now one way is increase 360 by 15%. Children, for increase and decrease we have two cases. In first case we have, let a number there is a number a be increased by x%, means कोई number a increased हो रहा है x%, then new number जो form होगा that will be 1 plus x upon 100. This you have to learn. You can say this is a formula for increased number. Okay. कोई number a if it is increasing, कोई number a increased हो रहा है तो x%, तो x upon 100 तो आएगा ही, तो 1 plus x upon 100 into a. And if a number a be decreased by x%, then we will do the minus, means subtraction. Okay. So the question is increase 360 by 15%. So it means 1 plus 15 upon 100. Okay, that this x is 15. 360 by 15% means this 15 is x. 1 plus 15 upon 100 into 360, because 360 times increase हो रहा है, तो this a is 360. So we will take the LCM. 100 plus 15 हो जाएगा upon 100 into 360. It will be 115 upon 100 into 360, and after doing calculation we have 23 into 18 because all this will cut. So we have 414 is the number. Okay. Now what is the number which when increased? First form of this type is this and second form is this. Means what is the number which when increased by 15% becomes 414. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन वो ही है, बस स्टेटमेंट्स में आ गया है. लेट द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर बी एक्स. अब हमको यहाँ पे नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है एक्स, दिस ए. ओके, नॉट दिस एक्स, ये तो गिवन है. दिस ए फाइंड आउट करना है नंबर ए, बिकॉज अ लेटर नंबर ए है तो दिस नंबर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो रिक्वायर्ड नंबर भी x, तो 1 प्लस 15%, जहां परसेंट है वो x होगा. ओके, बिकम्स 414. मीन्स कौन सा नंबर इंक्रीज है अगर 15% तो इतना बन जाएगा, तो ये इक्वल्स टू में आएगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेटा यू हैव टू रीड द स्टेटमेंट केयरफुली. ओके, देन ओनली यू कैन फॉर्म द इक्वेशन. So after solving this 115x upon 100 we have 414 and 414 into 100 because ये cross multiply हो जाएगा upon 115. So we have 360. Similarly you can do in decreased part. Okay, in increased part we have done addition, in decreased part we have to do the subtraction. Similarly here also increased की जगह decreased होगा तो we will do the minus. Okay, in this way children we have covered all the topics of your exercise 6a. Hope you all have understood the topic, so you can easily do your exercise 6a on your own. Okay.